Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss a case law decided by the Honorable Supreme Court of Sri Lanka, of course, much against to the chagrin of the Muslim residents of Sri Lanka, because it has dismissed the petitions filed by the so-called Muslim civil society. So what is this petition and other things? Let us know. The corona COVID-19 pandemic has left us all in lurch and also in distressed position. The people who are affected with corona, and there were no places, even the people residents did not allow the bodies to be cremated or to be cremated in the burial grounds which are neighboring their houses. So there were so many incidents where the residents objected and the bodies have to be taken. The bodies, that means the COVID-19 patients' dead bodies have to be taken to a different place and get them cremated. It happened to a doctor of Nellore also in Chennai. So ultimately during the wee hours, around 3 a.m. or so, they have to select a burial ground, send the bulldozer, JCB there, immediately dig the pit and throw the body. Like that it happened. Right? So now with this, the Sri Lanka government from April itself gave orders to the medical department that whenever any patient dies of COVID-19, his body has to be cremated. But Muslims normally they bury the dead body. The religious right says they have to bury the dead body. But whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian, whether you are Sri Lankan, whether you are a Buddhist, anybody, the dead body of anybody who was affected with COVID-19, they were supposed to be cremated. That's all. So, since this is against the customs or religious customs of the Sri Lankan Muslims, who form part of about 10% of the population of Sri Lanka, they went to, of course, to the government authorities first. Ultimately, they filed the matter reached the Supreme Court. Right? Supreme Court has asked for the opinion and of the government of Sri Lanka, and they filed the so-called affidavit also. In that affidavit, they stated actually they have filed the report of the government appointed committee. The government appointed committee also maintained that cremation was the only option, because the people are under the impression that the COVID-19, the virus will remain in the dead body at least for half an hour. So therefore better to cremate it so that it will not extend to the others. So here we have to remember the guidelines given by the World Health Organization. World Health Organization, it says that the victims could be buried or cremated. So it has given both directions. But Sri Lankan government is determined to cremate the dead bodies of the COVID-19 patients. Right? Now they have approached this Honorable Supreme Court to revive the practice of burial as per their religious customs. But of course yesterday Supreme Court of Sri Lanka did not agree and dismissed the petitions filed by Muslim civil society, and their wish was not fulfilled even by going to the court. Now Mr. N.M. Amin, he is the president of Muslim Council of Sri Lanka. He says that they will approach the president Gotabaya Rajapaksa, and of course he is the only person to let the Muslims bury the COVID-19 victims of the real chairs, and he can give directions. If you knowing, President of Sri Lanka is most powerful man, right? So even some people, some critics, of course there are people definitely who will be criticizing. The critics say they slam the government for its discrimination against minorities, right? So many such critics, they have urged the Sri Lankan government to review the decision and respect the Muslims, the so-called burial rights. But of course it was not done. Of course in the in the general public interest, the Sri Lanka government has given the direction. But of course we have been seeing here in India, it is being done. Of course, the municipal authorities, they are taking charge of the dead bodies, and they are, most of them are being cremated. But of course, I have seen when my father-in-law died, I went to the burial ground at Ongole, and I have seen the dead body of a COVID-19 patient being buried. I think here there is no such restriction, but in Sri Lanka, definitely cremation is the only option. And now, when the highest court Sri Lanka has given the direction that the dead bodies, then it has dismissed the petition regarding the rights of the Muslims, then nobody can do anything except the president. That's why Mr. Amin says he will approve the president. So let us see what will happen. So please be referring to such directions also given by our neighboring countries. They will be good for developing your legal knowledge. Thank you.